The building of 34 Monmouth Place, Part 4. Now we should be getting into the interior of this house. Please hit like and subscribe and click notifications, and if you're looking at it on Rumble, please give a positive rumble. Well, they were here today, it's Thursday, and they're leaving that gas line going through the front of their house. And they covered it up, see? Between that piece of wood and that piece of wood, this is the driveway that's going to go front. And as you can see, they put in a garage door today. They're covering up that gas line at the same time. They're going to cover up this damaged pipe. Now here's inside the garage. Getting a pile of junk here. And they're just using this wood. Whoever feels like it. Here they used it as a plank before. And they installed these vents. They're all along the floor. I guess the pressure test is over because we got a reading of 0 now. Sort of stopped working on the pool. As you can see, everything is dead stop. And they didn't level off the ground yet over here. I'm wondering when they're going to do it, before or after they put it in that driveway. Came over today and started doing this really nice block work in front of the house. And here's some more of it. I like that little ledge look they put on. This is the secondary door. We got a new lock, and I'm going to open it up. But these doors are open. I thought they locked these babies. They're all open again. So what did they do down here? Well, they put in these windows. Look at that. Well, these windows are in. There they are. One there, one there, and one there. Nobody's been up here doing anything, as you can see. There's the second floor, still nothing has been done up here, as you can see. Really, it's been doing nothing here. Must have been a bee's nest in here. Look at all these bees. It's the end of the season, so they're all dying, but I don't know where they came from. I got a phone call from the pool guys and the plumbers. They want to come over and borrow my water again, but this time they did the right thing and they called me. And I approved. The gas company is here. The gas company is here, and they're going to put in the gas line. Put the gas line in yesterday. We also had a big rain, and you can see this area is still flood zone. Now here's the setup. They did this yesterday, putting in the gas line. This meter will go here, and there's the regulator, and there's that for the pool. I guess they're gonna use it. And there it is, still flooding back here. Well, they came and they installed the meter today. And that's what it looks like when it's 0, 0, 0. They sprayed all this insulation. They forgot to do the ceiling of the garage. So they're gonna go do that tomorrow. Now as far as insulation between the garage and the rest of the house, I believe we were talking, and they're going to put in normal insulation. We tack it up like that. On the second floor, you see these, they just blew the insulation around, these vent pipes. But they disassembled quite a few of it and threw it away. And here's a junction box for the heat. I guess that's the way to control the different zones. They put this water feed on an outside wall. They put the air conditioning and the heating vent on an outside wall. The electrician, I love his work. Look at that work. Beautiful work. Praise this guy. Now this is the master bedroom. They were gonna put this bathtub in, but they changed their mind. and they put a big old shower here instead. And that's the stone creature from Star Trek. Remember that episode? Here's another section where they put the water shower against an outside wall. Outside walls are not good for plumbing because if there's a really cold day out, there's a possibility of the water freezing in these pipes and bursting. Like I said, the electrician is nice, but not so much for this particular location for this outlet, because this is loose and it's crooked. And that making this, look at this. This is loose. This needs to be fixed. Here on the first floor by the garage, we're going to put a bathtub in. But like upstairs, they opted that out and they put a stand-up shower. Pretty big one at that. Well, they were here today and brought in there all that sheetrock. And they loaded it, took those windows out, and they loaded upstairs and they took that front door out, or this door right here, and they loaded it through there. Here's some of the sheetrock. They're all 12 foot by 4 foot. It's going to be curious. This might be the ceiling, but these are not 12 feet high, I don't think. No, of course not. Like 10 feet high. Over here we have 14 foot long sheetrocks and some more 12 foot long sheetrocks. So I'm pretty certain that this is going to go on the ceiling. And this hardboard, cement board, these all for the bathroom. And where are you going to tile? Nothing happening here in the basement, because they're going to have to sheetrock down here too. And here's all the mud. Got a lot of work to do here. Well, they're almost finished. Look at this room. They're done here. Well, here's another side room. As you go in here. To the main rooms. Here's the main room. This is where everybody hangs out, and this is going to be a kitchen over here. They're not quite done sheetrock in this section. This is the butler's kitchen. This is one big room. I got a feeling this room is going to be like, wow, you can make a bowling alley here, for crying out loud. And here's the kids' upstairs playroom. Still got those vents going against the outside wall, not a good idea. And they're doing the walls horizontally. And that's good because what happens, it makes it less mud, less spackling I gotta do. Here's the big room. I'm standing right in the kitchen. I guess these will be, the countertops there, here too. And you go into the nice, beautiful breakfast nook. Man, I'd be hanging out in this room more than any other room. So we're on the second floor, and they've been doing all their spackling. And here's where the master bedroom's gonna be, and here's another bedroom. And it goes all the way down here. This is a basement bedroom. We're all done doing this spackling. At least it looks like they're done. I don't know what they're going to do about this yet. Maybe they're not done. Well, this is still running off liquid coming through this closet. Well, here we are on the first floor, and this is the breakfast nook. And I just like to hang out, you know. Yep, and here we are on the second floor. There's the master bedroom. In the master bedroom, and there's that walk-in closet and that bathroom. All spackling done here. This is the hallway leaving the master bedroom. Wow, it's a big hallway, really wide. This leads to the other end of the house. We have a bathroom, and another piece of the bathroom, and another bedroom. The kids' room. And that looks out on that property there. came in and they painted the whole joint. Not bad. Came with spray paint, taped up the windows, just painted like crazy. So they're putting in a deck. But what confuses me, why would you dig the hole for the footing after you put up the deck? Nothing really makes sense here. So they're putting down this wire subfloor. See? I got a feeling that they're gonna tile the whole house. Here we are on the second floor and the same subflooring is coming in on all these rooms. Like I explained in my earlier videos, that deck is coming in. When they cover it, it's going to be a very dark room. At least this window will be dark. Yep, here's the other bedroom I'm looking at. And here's another bedroom in the basement. And this window will be just as bright as it is now. Well, how can I tell you? I never seen a structure go up before the footings and the cement and the foundation was put in. But nevertheless, here we are. This is the stairway. So here's the deck. And the entire house is going to be tiled. That's right. Here's the deck out of the back door. And they put the steps in. They came in here and just put another layer of cement on top of the cement that already was layered. Well, they're almost done. This is going to the garage. This is an example of the tile they're going to be using. Oh, look at the size of these tiles. I guess this is going to be the floor in here. So there's the depth of that cement. See, here's my finger. So it looks about like an inch, maybe inch and a quarter. Thin set they delivered today. And this, I guess, is going to be a recreation room. It's a pretty big room. Well, we're on the second floor, and we can see that they did most of the cement work up here. As you can see upstairs, the depth of the cement is about an inch, maybe a little bit less. Tiles that sort of mimic wood, but aren't wood. They've been busy putting in the deck, as you can see. Next will be the pool. Now that's one long hallway, look at that. Goes all the way up to the master bedroom. Oh, we're getting a little crack already here on the stairways to the basement. They filled up these holes with cement, and this is how they did it. It's being supported as well by these things. They haven't done any tiling down here yet. I did a whole lot of tiling down here. See all the spacers? They finished this little section of cement. Here's the tile they're doing in here. In this big, beautiful room, they're using these big tiles. Here's the second floor. Yep, they're continuing with this wood look. And this is probably going to be the entire house. Yes, they did the master bedroom, the same tile. So this tile is going to be consistent up here throughout the whole house. The recreation room has no closet, you see, so it's not a bedroom. You guys have been here, wow, all week working. See, they've been working on the porch. Pretty nice. At the end of the porch, they poured this cement landing. And yeah, they got all the tiles down. They haven't put mortar in yet. This is the butler's kitchen. And then we come into this great room here where I imagine the center of all family activity will be. You can see they got a lot of work left here, and this is the first floor. And here in the basement, you see the workers are all set up with their tile cutting machines, and this floor is finished. Just have to grout it. And here on the second floor, it looks like they're pretty much done laying tile. Earlier we had some neighborhood kids come in here, but I don't see any evidence of foul play. Well, this is the view they get from their porch.